So sneezing and back pain, there's two reasons why sneezing can be painful if you've got back issues. Number one is that the disc, when we have spinal injury, the disc can lose stiffness and some micro movements can occur at the disc levels. Okay, and then part two is the compressive force that goes through the spine when you're sneezing. So when we do a sneeze, there's a violent contraction of our abdominal front core muscles to obviously contract, get the diaphragm and squeeze out the air to get us to actually sneeze. When that happens, that action there creates a quite substantial flexion moment, which is the flexion force from those abdominal muscles. To counteract us actually going forward, our back muscles or extensors contract at the same time to resist us going forward. So you're getting a significant contraction from the front, significant contraction from the back muscles, which all result in quite a substantial compressive force on the spine